What can I do to ask for my mom's forgiveness if she won't talk to me or is still angry with me?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a topic that many of us can relate to: seeking forgiveness from our mothers. It can be tough when our relationship with our mom is strained and she's still angry with us or won't even talk to us. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll explore some steps you can take to ask for your mom's forgiveness and work towards rebuilding your relationship.
Reflect on your actions.
The first step in seeking forgiveness is to reflect on your actions. Take some time to honestly evaluate the situation and consider why your mom might be angry with you. It's important to acknowledge your mistakes and understand the impact they had on her. This introspection will help you approach the situation with empathy and sincerity.
Genuine apology.
Now that you've reflected on your actions, it's time to offer a genuine apology. Find the right moment to have a sincere and heartfelt conversation with your mom. Clearly express your remorse and take responsibility for your mistakes. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame. Instead, focus on conveying your understanding of how your actions hurt her and emphasize your desire to make amends.
Empathy and understanding.
Seeking forgiveness requires empathy and understanding. Put yourself in your mom's shoes and try to grasp her perspective. Recognize the pain she may have experienced and the reasons behind her anger. This will help you approach the situation with patience and compassion. Be prepared for the possibility that it may take time for her to heal and forgive.
Give her space.
Sometimes, giving your mom some space is necessary. Understand that she might need time to process her emotions and come to terms with what happened. Respect her boundaries and avoid pressuring her to forgive you immediately. Let her know that you're available whenever she's ready to talk, but allow her the time and space she needs to heal.
Show consistency and change.
Actions speak louder than words. To regain your mom's trust, you need to demonstrate consistency and change. Follow through on your promises and actively work on improving yourself. Show her that you've learned from your mistakes and are committed to being a better person. This might involve making positive changes in your behavior, being reliable, and prioritizing her needs.
Seek mediation or counseling.
If the situation doesn't seem to improve or communication remains difficult, it might be helpful to consider seeking mediation or counseling. A neutral third party, such as a therapist or mediator, can facilitate a constructive conversation and provide guidance on repairing your relationship. They can help you and your mom navigate through the challenges and assist in finding a path towards forgiveness and reconciliation. In conclusion, seeking forgiveness from your mom when she's still angry with you can be a challenging journey. However, by reflecting on your actions, offering a genuine apology, showing empathy, giving her space, and demonstrating consistent change, you can pave the way for rebuilding your relationship. Remember, forgiveness takes time, so be patient and persistent. With effort and a willingness to make amends, there's always hope for healing and restoring the bond between you and your mom. Best of luck, and I hope this video has provided you with some guidance on your path to seeking forgiveness.